This is the 12th lecture of TYBSc Electronics, paper number EL5504, Unit 4, Noise. This is mostly last lecture or last topic we are discussing here, noise temperature. The concept of the noise figure we are discussing in the last 10th and 11th lecture. The frequently used is not always the most convenient measure of the noise. Particularly, it is dealing with the UHF. UHF means ultra high frequency and microwave low noise antennas, receivers or devices. Controversy exists regarding which is the better or around measurement, but noise temperature derived from early work in radio astronomy is employed extensively for antenna and low noise microwave amplifiers. Not the least reason for its use in convenience in that it is the additive like noise power. This may be seen from the re-examining the equation 2.1 as follows. We know that noise temperature Pt. Now Pt is equal to Kt delta F. This is equal to P1 plus P2, that is equal to Kt1 delta F plus Kt2 delta F. So Kt1 delta F is equal to Kt1 delta F total plus Kt2 delta F, and T total is equal to T1 plus T2, where P1 and P2, here P1 and P2 are two individual noise power and Pt is their sum. Two individual noise power and Pt is equal to total their sum. T1 and T2, what is T1 and T2? T1 and T2 are the individual noise temperature, and Tt is equal to total noise temperature. Another advantage of the use of noise temperature for low noise level is that it shows a greater variation for any given noise level change than does the noise figure. So change are easier to grasp in their true perspective. It will be recalled that the equivalent noise resistance introduced in our section 2.3 is quite fictitious, but it is often employed because of its convenience. Similarly, the equivalent noise temperature may also be utilized if it is proves convenient. In defining the equivalent noise temperature of a receiver, or we can say amplifier, it is assumed that R equivalent is equal to Ra. It is assumed that R equivalent is equal to Ra. If this is to lead to the correct value of noise output power, then obviously R equivalent must be at a temperature other than the standard one at which all the components are assumed to be. It is then possible to use equation 2.23 to equate noise figure and equivalent noise temperature as follows. We know that F is equal to 1 plus R equivalent divided by RA, and this is equal to KT delta F R equivalent upon KTO delta F RA. Here T R equivalent, that means T equivalent. We use KT equivalent delta F R equivalent divided by KTO delta F RA. This is equal to 1 plus T equivalent upon TO, where R equivalent, it is equal to RA as postulated in the definition of T equivalent. So we know that TO is equal to 17 degree centigrade, 17 degree centigrade, which is converted in Kelvin, that means 290 Kelvin. 273 plus 17, it is equal to 290 Kelvin. T equivalent, it is nothing but equivalent noise temperature of the amplifier. Equivalent noise temperature of the amplifier, or we can say receiver, whose noise figure is F. Note that F here is a ratio and it is not expressed in decibel. Also, T equivalent may be influenced by the actual ambient temperature of the receiver or amplifier. It must be repeated that the equivalent noise temperature is just a convenient fiction. If all the noise of the receiver were generated by RA, its temperature would be T equivalent. Finally, we can write the above equation. The equation, which equation? The last equation is 1 plus T equivalent. This is your equation 2.25. And from the equation 2.25, TOF, it is equal to TO plus T equivalent, and T equivalent is equal to TO into F minus 1. This is your last equation 2.26. And once the noise figure is known, equivalent noise temperature may be calculated with the help of the above equation 2.26. Now we calculate the one example. Example 1, a receiver connected to an antenna whose resistance is 50 ohm. Whose resistance is 50 ohm. That means RA is equal to 50 ohm. Has an equivalent noise resistance of 30 ohm. The equivalent noise resistance, that means R equivalent is equal to 30 ohm. Calculate the receiver's noise figure. Calculate the receiver's noise figure, that means F is calculated. We want to find out the value of F in decibel and its equivalent noise temperature. Also find out T equivalent. This is in dB. Find out the F in dB as well as find out T equivalent. So for this, I repeat the example. A receiver connected to an antenna whose resistance is 50 ohm has an equivalent noise resistance of 30 ohm. Calculate the receiver's noise figure in decibel and its equivalent noise temperature. So for that, we know that F is equal to 1 plus R equivalent upon RA. It is equal to 1 plus 30 upon 50, and it is equal to 1 plus 0.6, and it is equal to 1.6. But we know that we want to find out F in decibel. So F in dB is equal to 10 log of 1.6, that is equal to 10 into 0.204, and this is equal to 2.04 in dB. So this is your answer. The F, it is given in, we can find out in decibel. The second, we want to find out T equivalent, temperature, equivalent temperature. So T equivalent is equal to TO into F minus 1. This is equal to 290 into 1.6 minus 1. This is equal to 290 into 0.6, and this is equal to 174 K. This is equal to 174 K. This is your answer of this numericals. That's all. Thank you.